assuming you have Visual Studio 22 downloaded, you need to create a new project right here. So that's the first thing you need to click is you need to you need to select create a new project. Okay. All right. So after I create a new project, and here very very important, you need to select Visual Studio the language. At the Visual Studio language, you need to select a platform, and the platform is Windows Phone application platform. Once you select that, you say next. All right, once you select that, then you can say next. Okay. And thank you, Stephen. I almost finished right there. Then make sure you select Windows Phone application. Once you select that, and you're going to name your uh, uh, project and name your solution. Okay, so this has two layer. Solution is higher layer. So I'm going to use a example as Steven. So I push in first project. Is that right? So Steven will put Steven first project here, and right here, and will put Steven first solution. Okay, Steven will put like that. All right. So Joshua, you put Joshua first project, Joshua first solution. Okay. Then when you finish that, then you're going to open your Visual Studio. You're going to set up the environment. The setup environment. We have four windows. All right. So the first window here, important window, first window here is your design window. All right. Then here is your toolbox window. And here will be your Solution Explorer window. And here will be your property window. All right, you must have all these four windows, but if you start window and reset, you got all these windows. I'll show you right away. Okay, once you have these windows, we are going to just put a label. And the label we're going to call LBL name. On the text, you put your own name, and we change the font size to 18 and color to red. Then I'm going to show you how to find out your exe file and your zip file to submit. Okay, so